Top of the morning bay with Good Morning Bay.
Get to know about the traffic on your way and what's news around the world today.
Some wisdom skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay.
गुड मॉर्निंग बे आप सभी लोग हमारी तरफ से एक प्यार भरा नमस्ते
Namaskar.
वनकम
Namaskara.
खुशामदीद
Assalamualaikum.
सत श्री अकाल
మీకందరికీ వందనం.
स्वामी नारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जनेन्द्र
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं याली मदद.
मौला अली बदर बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बंदर को बोलेंगे नीसा बोला बरजन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैं से फालतू बाबा.
And of course, myself, Faltu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time that's going to make it totally exciting and totally mastani bandujani.
That's right, Balajan. Of course, the whole nation is reeling with the news right now. How can the Supreme Leader actually fall prey to something or how come he's so vulnerable to this thing and everybody's thoughts about him being the prophet has been shaken up.
Right.
So there is news, but we don't know how far it's true because we know how our Supreme Leader actually can spin tails. Probably he'll come back and say, gotcha! Later on say it was a prank. You never know.
Oh my God, Altavo, seriously, you think he'll come back and do that?
Hey, I don't know. I just can't. I know he's not going to do it. I know the administration is going to come and do it. His what do you call the minions will come and do it. I suppose probably fall.
Well, Alto, one thing for certain is the way the news media spins it, like the way what do you call Fox was spinning it yesterday was, despite the fact that masking really doesn't always help because Hope Hicks always supposedly masked. And she still tested positive, and according to them, she gave it to President Trump, right?
Well, no, that's not true. Did you know what the actual story was?
No.
They have not been wearing masks in proximity. And guess where she was actually? She actually was with him on the flight.
Yeah.
She was with him in the Situation Room. She has been with them, and wherever they are meeting, even in the capital, then what Hope Hicks. Amy Barrett, who came for the thing, who visited him as a courtesy visit, what do you call it?
Correct.
Even then, she wasn't wearing a mask.
Yeah. Well, that's because they're saying that they slighted the fact that you'd wear a mask. So yesterday, the way the Fox News anchor was trying to spin it was like, she always, and all the images that they were showing was just of the masked president and everybody around him in masks, and that really masking doesn't help as much.
I really tell you, masking doesn't help. Please unmask the whole truth, please.
Yeah.
It doesn't help. I totally agree with Fox in this. Masking the truth does not help. Please.
Yeah.
Give us something which we can, say, okay, wonderful. Thank you so much for giving it to us. We can say that kind of, we can be proud of Fox for you guys for a change.
Yeah.
Well, Badajan, let me tell you, today is the 199th day of our sheltering in place. Please, if you're sheltering in place, I just want to say one thing. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's a sacrifice. Yes, it's a sacrifice. Yes, you're giving up your normal lifestyle to stay healthy. But no, not only you're doing it for yourself. Yeah, you might be doing it because you don't want to fall sick, but also the fact that you actually you're showing extended empathy to the person around you, people around you.
Yeah.
And that's one talks volume about our society as such. So there's still hope for us, I would say. November 3rd, please vote wisely. Now, the thing is, I just want to say that even if you vote whichever way you're going to vote, vote. That's important. Just go get your voice heard. It's fine. Doesn't matter. We make mistakes. We get the opportunity. Well, I don't know if you're going to have the opportunity, if at all you vote Trump next thing to vote back again in 4 years.
Yeah.
He probably will overturn it. But the thing is, you still have the option. Right now, exercise it. I'm not trying to get... I thought the way you laugh, right? People think I'm actually giving them a sad tale or not. No. I'm just being honest about it. I call it the way I see it. I call a spade and Trump a Trump. Right?
True.
So he definitely will have a trump card with him anyways for the elections. Probably this might be one saying that no, I'm not going to go to any of the debates anymore because I'll start making a fool of myself.
Yeah.
I'll stay home because I'm sick.
Yeah.
That also could be, he might be calling Wolf on this, You never know.
You never know. We never know. We never know.
But anyway, it's a sad thing. I don't wish on anybody for the matter to actually get the virus and everything. So please, many people actually posting on Facebook and everything, also on social media about all the stuff. Yeah, refrain. Yeah, come on. We don't know how severe, how mild it is or whatever it is. It's unfortunate they're getting it. So I hope everybody's safe. That's what matters actually.
Right.
So a quick look at the headlines. Faltoni, what do we have as headlines today?
Well, I'll do. The biggest headline is that President Donald Trump and First Lady Melania Trump tested positive for COVID-19, and Trump has begun to start showing mild COVID-19 symptoms, tiredness and a little bit of a dry cough.
So magnesium
throat
and zinc
irritation.
are working then.
Zinc, I don't know. They say they're trying remdesivir, hydroxychloroquine, everything.
So they
but
actually bought a whole truckload of it from India anyways, the hydroxychloroquine.
yeah,
Not truckload, they actually bought a whole go-down load of it, almost $1 million.
they imported a
200
ton-
million worth of
Yeah.
hydroxychloroquine has been imported by
Yeah,
them. So we do have a stockpile here, but if you don't know about that, America works on stockpiles.
yeah.
We have piles of stuff. We are like hoarders. I'm not kidding, Manjan. Water se leke tail tak we have reserve everywhere.
So, also, news is out that Joe Biden and also Kamala Harris and Mike Pence and his wife have all tested negative for COVID-19. Although people are not so positive at this particular point in time because there are a lot of false negatives too that come out with COVID-19 apparently.
That's true. Even testing also is not
Yeah.
accurate, yeah.
Yeah. How Mike Pence could temporarily assume control if Trump becomes incapacitated is something
Very
that's
badly.
being discussed at this time. Yeah. Senate Republicans are moving forward anyway to confirm court pick Amy Coney Barrett despite Trump's COVID-19 status.
Yeah, yeah.
Trump's positive COVID-19 test throws markets pre-election curveball, and the market has tanked this morning. Firefighters here locally in California are bracing for unpredictable conditions at the Glass Fire. More than 4 million acres have burned down.
Wow.
Kentucky is. Oh, by the way, there is a spare the air alert, and that has been extended to Tuesday. So people who have any kind of chronic lung conditions, asthma, and other issues who are sensitive, children, pets, and even seniors, please stay indoors and put your house air conditioning on that. What do you call recirculate mode? And keep your windows closed. And doors closed, of course. Kentucky to release the recording of Breonna Taylor grand jury proceedings. Wall Street retreats, as I mentioned, based on Trump's testing positive for COVID-19. In technology news, Intel wins the second phase of contracts to help Pentagon develop chips. So Intel stocks will probably go high. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is suggesting an India entry in 2021. Uber Freight raises $500 million. Valuation rises to $3.3 billion. And news from India, in the Hathras case, right? The SP and DSP have been suspended and they're going to be undergoing narco polygraph tests. Reliance has developed RT-PCR kit that can give COVID-19 results in less than 2 hours. And the Narcotics Control Bureau is going to be re-examining Karan Johar's 2019 party video and may summon all the actors in that video for interrogation. Yeah.
Well, it seems to me like there's always this thing, right? When you follow the money, you actually know what's happening.
Yeah.
Drug actually is one industry which is almost like you follow the thing, you lead up to that. So that's why they're doing a narco test on them also.
Wow.
So basically, in other words, what it means is it's leading to many crimes around the thing, and they've seen that happen over here in America.
Yeah.
You know, that's why they crack down the drug big time. FBI has
The
got
drug cartels?
Yeah, they have and actually same thing happening in India as well. So let's see what happens. We'll keep a close eye on that for sure, Balajan.
And of course, in the UK, Banajan, there's a huge supermarket chain called ASDA, and that chain has now 2 Indian origin billionaire brothers have won the bid to, buy over that particular
Interesting.
Asda.
So what are they, Patel brothers?
No,
No.
no.
You say Indian brothers.
Zubair something. I'll share that. I don't have the full names of the individuals.
That's okay. And of course, that was the headlines for you guys. और थोड़ा बात करेंगे, लेकिन एक और चीज़ है, which is not a headline for everybody. Other today could be called as a dry day in India, I suppose.
Huh?
You
Why?
know, because October 2nd, right?
Oh, like that.
Gandhi Jayanti मतलब actually is the birth anniversary of the liberal who actually freed us from the colonial, was instrumental in our getting freedom over here, Brajan.
Yes.
We're talking about Gandhi ji, unka birthday tha aaj, and let me also note one thing over here. We also want to recognize the fact that it was Bhagat Singh's birthday on Sunday.
Yeah.
We did give a shout out to to him because they're all actually a part of it.
I think every
Because of
single
them,
person
yeah.
did their bit, Manajan, and that's exactly what each and every single one of us ought to be doing at this particular point.
Correct. We should do our bit. And this is a nice song which actually talks about the resolute nature of his. Not anything about him, but about what the nature, what he had. He really was a guy of small stature, but he had a big vision. And whether he made it happen or everybody else made it happened for all of us to benefit from. So giving our thanks to him and, just celebrating with a song. From the movie called Lage Raho Munne Bhai, right?
Yeah.
सालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे
Sonu Nigam's beautiful voice, Bindujan, and music. I'm not very particular, not sure, but I'm going to confirm in just a few minutes.
सरपट उनकी चाल रे दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे वंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम 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 वंदे मातरम ओ भाई भाई का दुश्मन है बना रे नफरत की आंधी बहती रे वहशी दिलों को बापू प्यार सिखा दे आजा रे बापू आजा रे
Pranab Biswas music, of course. I think also
No.
lyrics by Pranab Biswas. is it?
Shantanu Moitra.
Shantanu Maitra, very nice lyrics actually. Virgin is actually the music for you guys from the movie Lage Raho Munne Bhai. So probably we'll have a special going on today in the evening also, so you can take a listen to it for sure. We probably will not be live, but we'll be definitely providing you a show for you guys from 5 all the way till 8 o'clock today with Pam Pam Show, Anmol Lagme, and also TGIF, which follows all those shows, Banajan. And right now, a quick look at the news, probably in detail as much as possible. But if you want to catch up the news we probably have missed out, or you missed out while you're listening to us, you can actually go to the media blog, mediamahima.com, and get the information from there. This is the news for you guys. In detail, or brief. What do you think?
US President Donald Trump is experiencing mild symptoms after testing positive for coronavirus. Administration officials said on Friday as the White House and presidential campaign scrambled to adjust to the bombshell development. Trump, who has played down the threat of the coronavirus pandemic from the outset, said he and his wife Melania had tested positive for the deadly virus and were going into quarantine. Their son Barron has tested negative, a White House official said. Trump is not incapacitated and he is currently working in isolation to avoid infecting others, a White House official has said. Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin and White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows said the president, 74, was exhibiting mild symptoms. They did not give more details. Trump, of course, tweeted, "We will begin our quarantine and recovery process immediately. We will get through this together." And I sincerely hope that when he says that, this gives him time to reflect upon why division doesn't work, but you have to be together. Right, Alto?
Yes, I agree with you.
That's it. You have nothing more to add?
कितनी बार कहा काढ़ा पी ले नहीं पिया उसने.
Yeah, that is what somebody posted as a meme. Raj Thakurji Abadu all the way from India,
Yes,
actually.
I just read the meme out right now,
Yeah.
and exactly what my sentiments also is.
Yeah, that's right, Pujjan. So, also, in the meanwhile, there is conversation that's going on about, whether Mike Pence is going to temporarily assume control if Trump becomes incapacitated. And like two US presidents before him, Donald Trump could temporarily hand over power to his vice president should he become incapacitated. And for example, while undergoing a medical procedure as a treatment for the coronavirus in the event it's required. Trump said on Friday that he had tested positive, but under Section 3 of the US Constitution's 25th Amendment, adopted in 1967 following the 1963 assassination of President John F. Kennedy, Trump could declare in writing his inability to discharge his duties. Vice President Mike Pence would become acting president, although Trump would remain in office. The president would regain his powers by declaring in writing that he is again ready to discharge them. The 25th Amendment, Section 4, also offers a path to stripping a president of power if, for instance, his cabinet believes he has become incapacitated, but this has never been invoked. So what they're saying is, in fact, the Section 3 precedence, Bandajan, is in July 1985, President Ronald Reagan elected to have a precancerous lesion removed after it was discovered during a colonoscopy. He signed a letter that, while not specifically invoking Section 3, he said he was mindful of its provisions. Vice President George H.W. Bush was acting president for nearly 8 hours from 11:28 a.m. to 7:22 p.m. when Reagan issued a letter declaring himself able to resume his duty. So I
when
think
he underwent surgery, right?
when they go through anesthesia, or when
Yeah.
they're like, suppose they have to be intubated for some reason, they do that. And even in June 2002, George W. Bush invoked Section 3, temporarily transferring his powers to Dick Cheney before undergoing a colonoscopy. And in July 2007, Bush again invoked Section 3 before another colonoscopy, and Cheney was acting president for some time.
Yeah.
So this possibly could happen, and people are saying that, for all you know, the next Tuesday's vice presidential debate could actually become presidential.
Oh, cool. Kamala is going to be having that thing. She gets the opportunity to debate the president.
Yeah.
What if she wins?
Well, we don't know. Let's see how
Will she
that...
become the president? We don't know, but we'll give you updates on that for sure.
Yeah. The White House, of course, is saying that Trump is currently not incapacitated and he is working from
He
isolation.
won't relinquish power, Falcon. You should
I
understand.
know.
A supreme leader will never give up power. Come on.
I think so.
Even
too.
if he gives it up, it'll be like how he gave up his companies for his sons to handle, but still he gets a say in the matter.
Yeah.
He'll always have a caveat right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
He can have run the country, but I will sign up on all the papers. Right? I don't think so.
Well,
Yeah, her face, I tell you, she looked so concerned. She was like, Amy Barrett. She actually had
Amy,
Amy
yeah.
Barrett's photo on the screen, Manujan. So I'm going to be telling you, Falcon, don't you feel that? I see that. She's like, I want to get out of this. Oh my God, I'm trapped.
I don't know. She just looks...
I feel sorry for her.
she looks like one of the... never mind. I don't want to say anything. It's
okay. I can say it though.
yeah.
But I
Stepford
don't know
wives, right?
exactly, yeah.
Yeah, she looks like one of the Stepford wives, but either
Yeah.
ways. Senate Republicans said on Friday that they are going to be pressing forward with the confirmation process for the Supreme Court nominee Amy Coney Barrett, despite President Donald Trump's positive COVID-19 test, with Judiciary Committee hearings, which are set to begin on October 12th. Mitch McConnell said the Senate would proceed with Barrett's confirmation, and he has asked that the Senate... apparently the Republican president has asked the Senate confirm Barrett without any further delay and before the November 3rd election.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which would forge a 6-3 conservative majority on the top U.S. judicial body.
And if you're wondering, Manujan, she also was tested because she was going very close quarters with the president and everybody there.
She's tested negative so far.
Oh, I thought they were waiting results on her.
Oh, I don't know. I heard some sources. Well, we don't know, Bhatisha. We don't know for sure. There hasn't been official news, I think, at least as of this morning when I was
Well,
looking for
I
it.
think people should not look at that way like mask, no mask. Just look at the power of a microscope organism, like how much we take it for granted, but just say, hey, dude, I want to get in, I get in.
Well, it's nothing. Yesterday I posted on my Facebook, this sends a message home, Manajan. It does not matter if you are a day laborer in some rural part of India who is struggling with the coronavirus, or it does not matter whether you are the president of the most powerful country, technically, the most powerful position in the world, you are equally vulnerable. Everybody is the same. There's no white supremacy, no discrimination, none of that. So, we all need to get through this together. So,
Let's all condemn white supremacistic organizations.
yes, absolutely. Trump's positive COVID-19 test actually threw markets a pre-election curveball big time. It triggered a sell-off in stocks and oil as investors moved away from risk assets on Friday.
I should tell you one thing. The people who handle the money, they're a nervous bunch, I tell you.
Yeah. Well, everybody is being careful and trying
Not
to
careful, it's all right? It's all fake.
Well, yeah, the main indices, in fact, retreated. They fell after 2 straight sessions of gains as news that Trump was COVID positive came out. 9 of the 11 major S&P sectors were down, but were off-session lows as data showing a slowdown in U.S. job growth in September raised hopes that Washington would agree on a new fiscal stimulus. For more details on the exact amounts, you can go to mediamahima.com. Kentucky's Attorney General on Friday will release a recording of the grand jury proceedings. This is what has been very, very contentious, that they decided not to charge the officers in the killing of Breonna Taylor. So they're actually going to be releasing this. And this particular recording apparently cleared 3 policemen of homicide charges in the death of Breonna Taylor.
And this was actually decided by the grand jury?
Yeah.
Wow.
They decided not to prosecute. So, people have been protesting, and then, this is a win because this message is going to come out as to what exactly was shared in the grand jury hearing. Also, let's talk a little bit about the fires. Firefighters are bracing for unpredictable conditions here in the Glass Fire, Bandujan, as a red flag warning in the North Bay Mountains got underway Thursday afternoon, promising dangerously high temperatures, low humidity, and higher winds. Officials managing the fight against the Glass Fire in Napa and Sonoma counties said that they're bracing for what is unpredictable, complete uncertainty at this particular point in time. They said that the fire was impinging on Calistoga, and the firefighters were preparing defenses against points where the blaze might advance toward the city from. And also, in other news that is coming from India, Bandujan, Narcotics Control Bureau is going to be re-examining the 2019 party video, which apparently talked about Karan Johar's party video, and the actors in that particular video may be summoned for interrogation. Also, Indian origin billionaire brothers, the Alto asked me their names, Mohsin and Zubair Isa, are set to acquire a majority stake in the leading UK supermarket chain, Asda, from its US owner Walmart after a $8.8 billion deal was struck as part of a consortium involving private equity firm TDR Capital. For more on the Hathras case and also on the 2-hour test developed by Reliance, Bandujan, and all the other news items that we shared today, you can go to mediamahima.com. We'll have it posted there within the hour, and you can actually catch up on all those stories. We'll see you tonight. Tonight we may not be live at 5 because we will be at a Community Heroes event, Bandujan, but we hope you tune in and enjoy some beautiful ganas of some wonderful heroes, and especially this particular hero, Mahatma Gandhi ji, tonight. And we will see you in the Bay Area Buck Buck show on Saturday. तब तक के लिए हमें इजाजत दीजिए. Have yourselves a fantastic Friday.
बापू प्यार सिखा दे, आजा रे बापू आजा रे.